Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adam bin Arush. My matrix number is 2024568687. So we would like to present about our project, which is restaurant menu system from Group 1. As you can see here, this is our group members that managed to successfully to complete our project, starting from me, Afiq, Ain, Soleha, and Tuan Azlidi. For the introduction, the restaurant used a menu system to show the list of food they serve along with the price for each item. Customers need this approach to make it easy to place their order, and it helps the restaurant boss keep track of this list. And it will be put at the restaurant cash register. Customer and the business owner are the one who use the method. This method works so that people can see how much each food item costs at the place. The user can pick the type of menu, which is food, drink, and dessert. Just place an order from the menu and add as many number as they want. This method will show the total amount paid for each sale, and it also helps the restaurant owner to keep an eye on how things are going for a day. For the scope, we have three type of category, which is food, beverages, and dessert. And we put a variety of menu, which is nasi lemak, teh ais, kuih pak kacang, and each of the menu we display a price of each item. So the objective of this project is to count the most menu ordered for each menu category and to calculate total price for each transaction and to calculate the order based on menu category, and the last one is to calculate average transaction by number of order for each menu category.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Tuan Azlini binti Mama Azli. Today I will describe about flowchart. So first, flowchart about the menu is we will use repetition and selection control structure. So for next flowchart is we use selection control structure for make choice for menu. The menu is food, beverage, and dessert. If true, we go to the next process, and if false, we will end the process. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Siti Soleha binti Sofi. In this video, I would like to present about the detail of the programming structure. There are some types and structures that are provided in our restaurant management system, which include user input. The system obtains user input as a various parameters such as category and menu choice. The system also declares a constant at the beginning for the parameters of the program. For example, the total for each menu and the total payment for each transaction. In the process section, there are a few calculations provided. For example, total payment for each menu category is defined as function for calculating the payment. Next, we also use array to store data such as number of order for each menu and to count the total order by each customer. Moreover, we use a selection for the user to show the menu list. If user choose one, then it will show the menus list, and if user enter 2, the system will allow user to make an order. After that, the user have to choose category and the menus that they want. This process use a comparison that provide if a statement for this condition to appear. We also use a repetition in our system, such as while loops are used to obtain multiple inputs from the user. The end of the system, welcome message, the option to show the list of the menu with the price, option to make an order, the option to choose the category of menu, the menu for each category, the number of menu that customer want, the price for each menu, the total payment, and the average of order transaction are the result from the system output information. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Miss Mazni. I'm going to explain a little bit about our codes for this restaurant menu system. The codes for the first objective, which is to calculate total payment per transaction for customer order based on menu category. We will use the variable total pay to add all the total for each menu. So total NL stands for total nasi lemak, total RC stands for total roti canai, total LK stands for total laksa, and so on. The next code is for the second objective, which is to count order of menu for each food category. So we will use a variable count for every single menu and for every single category. Count 0 is used to count the number of food, which is nasi lemak. Count 1 to count the number of roti canai, and so on. Same goes to dessert category. Next, to identify the most menu ordered for each menu category, we will use the variable I, max, and count. We will use the repetition for to find the most menu ordered by the customer. So for the last objective, which is to calculate average transaction by number of order based on menu category, we will declare and initialize the AVG, which is stand for average. So the calculation is total F, which is total for menu of food, total B, total for menu of beverage, and total D, total for menu of dessert.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aziza Ain Azila binti Abdul Ghani. Student ID 2024545237. I will explain and show the screen layout for overall of our project. So this is our coding. After we finish all of this, we just compile and run. So at the first page of our screen layout, here we show the restaurant menu system. There's a welcome page for customer, and here we show the option. For example, type 1 for show the price for each menu based on category and enter. Here we show our list of food, beverages, and desserts. And after we click on Y, program will be back to main menu. And after that, I try to enter the second option 2 and enter. Customer can order their menu with a different category, which is food or beverage or dessert. For example, I just type food. The character will use F and enter. And here it shows the list of food: nasi lemak, roti canai, and laksa. And we choose again for each case 1, 2, and 3. Just choose one of 3 of them. 1 for nasi lemak. The system will get the input from the user to click the number of nasi lemak, and I just click 1 and enter. So here it show the total price for nasi lemak equal to RM2 ringgit. And after that, it will loop again to add or not the menu, and I just click Y for yes, and it loop again to choose food, beverage, or dessert. And after I finish for add of each menu category, I just type no to show the result for overall of the system. And here the result is show the total number of nasi lemak, roti canai, laksa, and the most ordered food for each category. Here is laksa, most beverage is sirap limau 2, and the last one is this dessert, kuih pau for 2. And the total payment for each menu category, also the total payment for overall of the menu order, and also the average of order by the transaction. I think that's all from us. Thank you.